Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on the Shipt app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reset your password on the Shipt app. Maybe you forgot it, but somehow you're logged in. How do you actually go ahead and reset your password on the Shipt app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll up, and then where it says your username, click on Edit next to where it says your email. So this is where you can actually go ahead and enter your phone number, email, and also reset your password. Click on Reset Password, and then you're going to receive a password email reset. Go ahead and click on that, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your password on the Shipt app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.